In this lecture, we are going to discuss the logarithmic function and exponential function derivatives. So the first one is derivative of a logarithmic function, and logarithmic function we are taking only natural log ln x. Clear? So the derivative of ln x is very simple. Whatever is written here, ln x, whatever x is written here, it is 1 upon same to same, 1 upon x. And if we talk about the derivative of exponential function are of two types. One is the a power x, and the derivative of a power x, my dear friends, is a power x. Only extra term you need to write ln a, logarithmic function of a, log of a, ln a. Clear? And if e to the power x is there, the derivative is same to same e to the power x. So dear friends, if you remember, in the previous lectures, we discussed 8 formulae. One is constant c. Another we discussed for x power n. Then we discussed for 6 trigonometric ratios, and then 3 formulae here. So how much total? It is 3 plus 6, 9, 1, 10, 1, 11. Total 11 formulae we have studied. And these 11 formulae will play a very crucial role. You need to practice these 11 formulae. If you learn these 11, rest is simple calculation. You can do it very easily. Okay. Now we'll solve some questions. What type of questions we can have from these type of functions? Now it will be a mixture with the previous results. Like question number 1, if we take y equals to 5 ln x plus 3x power 4. If this is the question, what is the derivative? First derivative, y dash is equal to d by dx. It is 5 ln x and plus d by dx. It is 3x power 4 is equal to 5. What is the derivative of ln x? It is 1 upon x plus 3. What is the derivative of x power 4? It is 4x power 4 minus 1. So what is the answer? 5 into 1 upon x is 5 upon x plus 4 into 3 is 12. X power 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the answer. 5 upon x plus 12x power 3. One more question we will take here. It is y equals to 5x power 4 e power x. Clear? So y dash equals to d by dx 5x power 4 into e power x. So this you can take first function, this you can take second function. It is product rule. Product rule means the first function same to same, the derivative of second, plus second function same to same, the derivative of first. It is equal to 5x power 4 d by dx of ex. It is same to same e power x, same. And now e to the power x. What is the derivative of 5x power 4? 5, and x power 4 is 4x power 4 minus 1. Now you can solve it here. It is equal to 5x power 4 e power x. This one, 5x power 4 e power x. And here it is 5 times 4, 20. 20. X power 4 minus 1, 3. X power 3 into e power x. Now what you can do? You can take 5 common. You can take x power 4 and x power 3. So x power 3 common. and e power x in both the terms. So what you will get? 5 is out, x power 3 is taken, so x remaining plus 20. If you will take 5, so it will be 4. X power 3 is out, e power x is out, so x plus 4. So this is the answer. But if you will leave your answer here, you will get full marks. Clear? But if you are solving this step, it shows your maturity in calculation. Basically, you must be a matured student as far as calculation is concerned. More you mature, more difficult calculation you can perform. Okay. So question number 3 is y is equal to 4x power 3 ln x. Clear? So it is y is equal to y dash equals to d by dx 4x power 3 into ln x, and this first function, second function. So the first function is same to same, second function derivative of ln x plus second function same to same, the derivative of first function. So it is equal to 4x power 3 into the derivative of ln x is 1 upon x plus ln x and the derivative of 4x power 3. It is 4 is constant, x power 3 derivative 3x 3 minus 1. 3x power 3 minus 1. So here x power 3 upon x. So it will be x power 2 because powers can be decreased. It is 3 minus 1, 2 plus 4 times 3 is 12. X power 3 minus 1 is x power 2 and ln x. Class. This is the solution. Now let us take question number 4. It is y equals to 5x power 4 e power x and plus 3e power x. This is the question. So when you will find the derivative, it is d by dx 5x power 4 e power x plus d by dx 3e power x. It is equal to 5. Now this is the first function, this is the second function. It is a product of two functions. Here only one function, but here two, x power 4 and e power x. So 5x power 4 is the first function and the derivative of second function e power x plus second function and the derivative of first function d by dx. It is 5x power 4 plus d by dx 3 and the derivative of e power x. It is e power x, same to same. Simplify it. 5x power 4 derivative of e power x, same to same e power x plus e power x. What is the derivative of 5x power 4? It is 5 is constant, x power 4. It is 4x power 4 minus 1 plus 3e power x. So what is the answer? It is 5 e power x, x power 4 plus 5 times 4, 20, x power 4 minus 1, 3 e power x and plus 3 e power x. So what you can do is you can see e power x, e power x, e power x in all the terms. So you can take e power x out. What you will get? 5x power 4 plus 20x power 3 plus 3. This is the answer. And all these questions we are studying today or in the previous slides, every question will come in exam for 2 marks. Now, question number 5. All these questions are related to the product rule. Now the last question we are going to discuss with the division rule. 2 ln x upon 9x plus 1. Or we may solve one more question for the division. Y dash is equal to d by dx. It is 2 ln x upon 9x plus 1. And if you will see, here is up function, means down function, sorry, 9x plus 1, and the derivative of up function 2 ln x minus up function and the derivative of down function and upon down function whole square. It is equal to 9x plus 1, same to same, and the derivative of 2 ln x. 2, what is the derivative of ln x? It is 1 upon x minus 2 ln x, same to same, and what is the derivative of this one? 9 into x. It is 9. The derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 1 is 0 upon 9x plus 1 whole square. And if you will simplify it further, so it will be this 2 into 1 upon x, 2 upon x, and 9x plus 1 minus 9 times 2, 9 into 1, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 times 2, it is 18 ln x upon 9x plus 1 whole square. So this is the answer. No need to further solve. Simplify. This is the answer. Okay, let us take one more question. Like question number 6. Y is equal to e power x upon e power x plus 1. What is the derivative of it? It is a simple question. So let us solve it. E power x upon e power x plus 1. So down function, derivative of up function minus up function, derivative of down function upon down function whole square is equal to e power x plus 1, derivative of e power x, it is same e power x, minus e power x. Now derivative of e power x is e power x plus derivative of 1 is 0 upon e power x plus 1 whole square. If you will simplify this, how much? E power x into e power x. It is e power 2x. Powers always plus, because base e, base is same. So if you will multiply this into this, e power x, e power 2x. Now plus 1 into e power x, it is e power x, minus e power x plus 0 is e power x. E power x into e power x is e power 2x upon e power x plus 1 whole square. Now this term cancelled. So what you are getting? E power x upon e power x plus 1 whole square. This is how we evaluate the derivative of quotient functions. So dear friends, we have discussed here about the logarithmic and exponential function. Thank you very much.